Good morning, everybody. We got some lots of stocks, lots of airline stocks gapping up on similar news. So we'll be a little careful. Only two gap down stocks. Okay, let's see. Hmm. I'm trying to be more. Yesterday, I feel like the first two trades that I took, I feel like I missed them because I was a little too relaxed. You know what I mean? Like I'm not. I feel like I'm a little laid back in my chair, I think, when I'm trading. I need to analyze my behavior because if I was just, on the ball, like sit up, focused, um, I might have gotten it, but I don't know. I don't really remember my posture. So, but it's honestly it's small things like that when you check yourself about the way you come into trading. Um, Here, check out LUV above 37 or above 37. 40-cent stop. Did I not get filled? Yeah, looks like I didn't get filled. That's all right. It better cancel that order. Oh man, 2 cents from Target. It would have hit. It didn't fill me. That's all right. Anyway, beautiful setup on LUV. As you can tell, it is above the pre-market. There's no red candle, so it looks like there's not a pullback. But if you see it's balancing on 360, 336.60, and it's kind of forming this sideways consolidation right above the pre-market. So that was a beautiful trade. Too bad it didn't fill me. And for some reason, it's not canceling my order. Okay. BNTX is looking good. Um, hmm. The entry would be under 66.50 with the stop about a point stop. It could break through the pre-market lows. This is the pre-market lows right here. Oh my gosh, if it comes down, if LUV comes down and fills me, that's gonna be, I'm gonna be a little angry at this. I don't know what's going on. NCLH looks pretty decent. About a 12.25, 25 cents. So the target would be right at the highs. It's pretty. Let me pull up this. Okay, so the only thing about NCLH is we got a little bit of a downtrend, but it's using this as like a little resistance. So we'll see. I bet that reversal can get back up to the highs. Oh, the Haywood connection is down. I didn't see that. Man, they playing with my emotions. BNTX looks great as well. Yeah, so okay. So this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna get back in. It doesn't look like um it doesn't look like it put me in LUV or NCLH. I didn't lose anything. But two trades that I wanted to take just hit my target, but I couldn't take them because of platform issues. Um, and yeah, that kind of pees me off a little bit. And it was so funny because Timmy the other day he said, when you miss a couple of trades that hit your target, um, should you stop trading because you might get angry or mad or whatever. And I said that essentially I said, well, I know that there will be more opportunities. Missing trades is a part of the game. Um, but now, missing trades because of myself is different than missing trades because of platform issues, right? My platform is supposed to have my back. It's supposed to allow me to get in and get out quickly. It's not supposed to be the cause of me making or losing money, if that makes sense. And today it was the cause of me not making any money. Um, so I do see BNTX. You got to analyze yourself. Are you mad? Are you going to take bad trades because you just want to trade because you missed two trades? Or are you going to pull yourself together and do what you need to do to take good trades? And right now, BNTX is a great trade under the lows. And so I'm just going to wait for that one. Every other stock really isn't doing anything that I want it to do. So we're just gonna wait for BNTX. Yeah, all my longs are, just kind of falling down, and BBBY, one of my shorts, is just trending up. So we'll see. But yeah, so the two trades I wanted to take, RCL, the entry was no. It was NCLH. NCLH, beautiful reversal above 1625, up to the highs would have been my target, 25 cents. And then LUV was a beautiful breakout above 37. Target would have been 37.40. So I would have my two trades right there. That's frustrating, but it is what it is. I'm just glad it would have been even worse if it would have filled me on LUV and I would have seen myself like down on LUV, then I would have just stopped because that would have been a problem for me. And it looks like BNTX is just going to be going up. Oh, okay. Rejection at 70. Or was that 68? My bad, I'm tripping. We might be able to get a nice reversal. Now, granted, we only do have 5 more minutes, so if it doesn't do what we want to see in 5 more minutes, then we're not going to trade it. Man, this could have been it could have been two really great days back to back. Yesterday, I just made a little technical error mistake. I wasn't really, on the game on my ball. I still need to write down that rule that I had. The rule was, okay, so if I enter at a half dollar, but the technical entry is at 40 cents, I need to calculate the stop and the target from 40 cents, not the half dollar. Because usually, sometimes you want to wait for the half dollar for confirmation. In that case, I shouldn't have. Um, but because the stop and the target was so close. But if it's like a dollar stop and the stock is coming up on a half dollar and you can see some resistance or support at that point, then yeah, you wait for it. But I shouldn't have waited in that case. Hmm. As you can see, like I would have been in LUV, so I was sitting up, I was ready to go. I'd have been in that stock, and then right after I was ready. I was ready for NCLH. I keep thinking it's RCL. I don't know why. RCL wasn't bad either. 61.30 stop loss at um, 60.20, 90 cents. It went 90 cents. Yeah. These are quick pops, quick moves, so you got to be ready. So that the minute it hits like your target or like 2, 3, 5 cents from your target and starts pulling back, you got to take that. You can't be like, oh, I want more money. No, it's the first 15 minutes, first 5, 10 minutes. You got to be quick. Um, but let's see. This doesn't look bad. Yeah, it's a nice little reversal, but it's not. All right, it's not the same as this trade. This trade was above the pre-market high. Um, this was easy, easy money. This right here, it's kind of like it made a new low, broke under the pre-market, broke under the opening range. The momentum is probably to the downside, so it probably won't hit your target. Let's see. BNTX is not doing what we wanted it to do. I bet we're probably going to be done before it does, but I bet you it finds resistance at this level and gets a little reversal. Hmm. Yeah. This was a support or resistance area. This was the pre-market low, I believe. Let me bring it out. Yeah, so 68 was a little area uh, that I was kind of balancing around, and then 66 was the pre-market low. If it would have gotten under 66, that would have been a really nice day today. Or, I say a really nice day. I think it would have been a decent trade. So it is 6:45. No trades taken because of some platform issues, so we're not gonna get frustrated and take some trades out of wanting to take some trades because really there are no more opportunities that I'm seeing right now, except for NCLH, but we'd have to wait on that another trade on NCLH. But I don't like that setup because of the way it tapped the highs, rejection wick, and then the way it's consolidating to the right like this. It's not making a curve um, like I want it to, and it's not even above, you know, pre-market highs. So The reason why I was gonna take this trade is because it was using a pre-market level as a resistance, which is good because it shows just the oh now it's looking really good. Yeah, the way that hammer built, but still like I think your target would be around 1655. It would have to be. So if we move this line, yeah, that's not bad at all. It might pop up to be honest. Um, Anyway, the reason why I was going to take this trade, even though it wasn't above the pre-market high, like I was saying, is because it was using a pre-market level as resistance, which is, and it's just it was a beautiful setup. 25-cent target, 25-cent stop, target right at the highs. That's that's the typical type of setups that you want to be looking for. Um, so it just gives a little confirmation of the levels, pressure, buyer and seller pressure. That's why I wanted to get in. You could tell that the buyers were building up around that area, base around 16. It's always good to have a support around a whole number. So that's why I wanted to take that. Let's see. NCLH could go either way. I wouldn't be surprised if it would stop somebody out or keep going. I wouldn't be surprised if it stopped somebody out because, like I said, it's below those levels and the rejection from the highs. But also, I wouldn't be surprised if it hit target because it is a decent pattern. If this was above pre-market highs or trading around another nice pre-market level, then it probably hit target. But you'd always want to be more safe than sorry. So. Um, Yeah, well, since I'm not taking any more trades, I guess I'll end the video. I just wanted to watch NCLH and see and show you guys NCLH and see what it did. But it's not moving right now, and there's no point in, continuing the video. Thank you for tuning in. Sorry about the platform issues and not being able to take a trade, but we saw some good trades and we were ready. That means we can just brush it off, get ready for tomorrow. Yeah, it's a part of day trading. Platform issues, missing trades like I did yesterday, messing up a technical analysis trade, like some of those things you can fix, like missing the trades and messing up the technical analysis trades. All I can do is just be ready, and I can fix those. But platform issues you can't fix. Um, so it is what it is. Well, thank you guys for watching and tuning in. Um, Catch y'all tomorrow. Thank you.